Hi everyone, we're here na. Ito po ako. We're here na at the place. This is the car. This is called Candy Girl. Hi Candy Girl, it's an EcoSport red heat. Plate number secret. But this is our at first. Hi to my husband. Hi, love you baby. Like for Blake. Heart. Okay. Then we're going in. That's Johnson now. It's Johnson. He's doing the grilling thing. We're gonna grill later. And then subscribe to Johnson's channel. Johnson, I'm giving you a shout out. And then this is the food here that we bought. It's a pork. It's a meat. And then there's, what's this? It's a pork also. We're gonna have this for grilled pork belly. Bukas na yan. Then, the other ones are chicken. We're gonna have chicken later. And then pork. And then for also, this is also pork. This is a chicken liver. Of course, why there will be a chicken liver? We don't eat it. But that's for this girl. Hi girl! Hi girl! Apo girl! Girl! Palgi! Hi girl! Hi girl! Hi lang! Hi lang! So, girl! Natumba si girl! And she has her own seat. This is her own seat. She stays there. And then, huwag maingay. And then, this is her place. Balik ka na. This is her place. The pool's later. Babalik ka na. Pasok ka na. Bakit? Nagugutom ka na? Diyan sa Polgy, nagbablog ako. Mami, pahawak mo na si Polgy kasi nagbablog ako. Nagagutom ka? Nagugutom ka? Bigyan ng treats. Sinibigyan mo ng treats. She's so happy. She wants treats. Bebe, huwag ka maingay. Ito treats. Ano? Yan. She's gonna have her treats. Treats po. Treats, mommy.
Doon sa loob.
And she's gonna have her own treats na. So she won't be loud. And then, and then there's a karaoke. So, yan. Nagbablog ako. And then this is the place where it's mom. And then Johnson na, there's a billiard table here. You can play later, of course. And then, it's missing one. Let's find the ball. And find the other ball. It's missing. I don't know what can do. And then there's darts. You can do darts here. Right. And then we rented this place, the whole place. So there's us. And then there's this sungka. This is called sungka. You play it like this is the 2 players. You put everything there evenly. And then you put 1 each until you fill out. The other, you fill out everything with your beads. But this one, we use shell, real shell. And then this is the national game. No, not national game, but it's part of the Philippine culture. It's called sungka. Yeah, it's SUNGKA. Sungka. And then there's this chess. Every piece is there. Alright, yeah, it's complete. So we rented the whole place for just us. And my sister's friends are coming also. My sister's friends are coming also, so we're gonna wait for them. And then this is the pool. This is the pool area. It's so nice. There's lights there. Oo. Pwede prito. Ay, kaso wala tayong ano. Pwede sanang prito, kaso wala tayong ilaw na ito. And we have our own, free 1 gallon of water. That's mineral water. You can drink that. So, it's low. And then, this is the pool. It's 5 feet. Yeah, it's 5 feet. And I'm 5 feet. So, I hope I won't drown. But anyway, I can swim a little. Nice, babe. I can swim a little. Sorry, Blake. But, says there, no diving, no eating, no drinking, no vomiting, no pets allowed, penalty 500. But we have a pet, so we paid for additional fee. So, the owner of this place and then the caretaker are so nice. They're so nice. It's not our place. We just rented this. And it's so nice. They're so nice. And then that's the kitchen area. Everyone is cooking there. Sorry. And then this is our own area. And then dining. So now we're going up. This is where the rooms are. And it's a view of the whole pool. This is located at an exclusive subdivision here at Los Baños, Laguna. Yeah, it's Laguna. But here is the place. Here's the pool. Hi, pool. I'm gonna dive. I'm ready na kasi eh. Look at me. Ready to swim. Hi, guys. For those who's gonna ask later, I removed my rings, 2 rings, my engagement and then my wedding ring, because I'm gonna swim. And not because it's gonna mess up the ring, but because I might lose it at the pool. I don't want that. But I love my husband. Love you. And so I'm wearing my swim clothes. It's just a rash guard, even it's nighttime, and my shorts for swim, because I'm not allowed, because my husband just told me to just wear this one when he's not around, of course, but it's okay. And this is our area. This is our room. We have a double deck and it's air conditioned. Gonna close the door so it's air conditioned. There's the AC, and then we have a double deck. It's double beds. Queen size bed, or I don't know, double. But it's big enough for 2 people, 2 to 3 people for this one, and then 2 for that one. And then the same thing as this one. Oh, sorry for that. Same thing as this one. This is where I'm gonna, sleep today. Wish Corey was here, but it's okay. I'll just video him and video call. Then I know he's gonna watch my video, so I love you. And then this is my bed for today. And then yeah, that's me. And then we have a bathroom, own bathroom. And we're 6 here or 8, I don't know, but my sister's friend's gonna come too. So this is 1 bedroom. So there's a tabo. This is a Filipino culture. You call it tabo We don't use tissue whenever we, you know, number 2. We use tabo with water and a bucket. I'm sorry for that. But I'm sorry for those who are eating and watching this, but it's that. We use this to, you know, wash. And then the other thing is we use this bidet. This is a bidet. Oh, it's a nice bidet. It's not too pressurized. Sorry again, but that's it. And then there's a little lavatory and a mirror. I'm gonna show myself. Hi! That's me. It's me. I didn't cut my hair short. It's just I put it in a bun. Because it's hot here. Not a bun, but I put it like that up. And it's very long. Hi husband, I love you. This is, I'm gonna go down again. I'm gonna show you the other rooms. My sister's friends gonna be staying. Oh, this. It smells like they're gonna have. Hoy! Polgi! Paano ka nakaakyat? Ikaw talaga! Baliw ka! Pasok ka! And this is the other room. This is where my sister's friends gonna be staying at. Hey, Polgi! Dito! Same thing. Ika na. She's so happy. Polgi, happy you? Happy. If you're gonna ask if she's gonna swim, she's not allowed. Because... Wait, I'm gonna pick her up. Because... Wait. I'm gonna pick her up. Because she's not allowed. Polgi, ano ginagawa mo dito? And then there's the other room. It's closed because there's no one yet there. And plus, there's the car. Hi, car. Ay, huwag maingay. So, we're going down na. Going down. Going down. We're going down. Paano ka nakaakyat? I don't know how she got up. Because she's scared of heights. Mami, nakaakyat si Polgi. Pasunod ko doon. No one knows. Oh, it's starting. Johnson's gonna sing na. Jansen, say hi to my vlog.
Hello guys.
So that's it. I hope you like it. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go to the pool. There's a bathroom here too. Here closer. And then the pool. There's the pool. Okay, I'm gonna swim na later. My gosh. Okay, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching.